its potential to generate bits in 2025. AAVE is one of the most powerful DeFi platforms in the crypto space, and today I'm going to show you what AAVE is, how it works, and how you can use it to make a profit in 2025. Plus, I'll show you tools like CoinStats, TradingView, Glassnode, TokenTax, and Koinly to help you maximize returns while staying on top of your investments and taxes. Links for useful tools are in the description below. If you're looking to dive into the world of AAVE and take advantage of its growth, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Part 1. What is AAVE? First things first, what is AAVE? AAVE is a decentralized finance platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on crypto assets, all without a bank or intermediary. The name AAVE comes from the Finnish word for ghost, symbolizing its seamless, decentralized, and transparent nature. Here's 3 reasons why AAVE stands out in the DeFi space. 1. Decentralized lending and borrowing. Users can lend their crypto to earn passive income or borrow funds with collateral. 2. Multiple assets. AAVE supports a wide range of crypto assets, including stablecoins like USDT and USDC. 3. Flash loans. Instant, uncollateralized loans for developers and advanced traders, something unique to AAVE. With these features, AAVE has become one of the top DeFi protocols, holding billions of dollars in total value locked. Part 2. How to use AAVE to make a profit. Now that you know what AAVE is, let's talk about different methods you can use to make money using this platform. Method 1. Earn passive income through lending. By lending your crypto on AAVE, you can earn interest on your idle assets. For example, if you hold stablecoins like USDT or DAI, you can deposit them into AAVE and earn a steady yield. Steps to start. 1. Go to AAVE's platform. 2. Connect your wallet like MetaMask. 3. Deposit your crypto assets. You'll start earning interest immediately, and the rates adjust based on supply and demand. Method 2. Use AAVE's borrowing feature for strategic trading. If you're holding assets like Ethereum or Bitcoin but don't want to sell them, you can borrow against them as collateral. This strategy lets you free up funds to invest in other opportunities while keeping your long-term holdings intact. Pro tip: use tools like TradingView to analyze potential investments and market trends before borrowing. Method 3. Take advantage of flash loans. Flash loans are a unique AAVE feature where you can borrow funds instantly without collateral, as long as you repay the loan within the same transaction. This is perfect for arbitrage opportunities or quick trades. Flash loans require advanced knowledge, but they're a powerful tool for experienced traders. Part 3. Tools to maximize your AAVE profits. To make the most of AAVE and ensure you stay organized, here are the top tools you need. 1. CoinStats. Track your AAVE holdings, monitor your earnings, and manage your entire crypto portfolio. 2. TradingView. Use it to analyze crypto trends, price movements, and market entry points for profitable trades. 3. Glassnode. Analyze on-chain data to track AAVE usage, wallet activity, and market trends. 4. TokenTax and Koinly. Keep track of your lending earnings and borrowings for tax reporting. These tools make it easy to calculate your crypto taxes. AAVE is one of the top DeFi platforms for 2025, and if you understand how to use its features, like lending, borrowing, and flash loans, you can maximize your profits. Combine this with powerful tools like CoinStats, TradingView, Glassnode, TokenTax, and Koinly to stay on top of your investments and taxes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to look at the links in the description below, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips, and comment below, are you using AAVE or any DeFi protocols?